Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a super cute flower using only a black pen and marker. Easy, simple and fun, okay? Okay, let me tell you a funny little story for entertainment. One day a flower woke up in the garden and screamed, "Oh no, where are my colors? Who stole my pink? Who stole my yellow?" All the others flower laughed and said, "Relax, you forget you were born black and white." The confused flower said, "What? No colors? Then how am I supposed to look beautiful?" And the wind whispered, "Don't worry, even without colors, you look amazing." So the flower shook its petal proudly and said, "Well, I guess being stylish in the black and white is my superpower." And today we are drawing that stylish little flower. Okay, let's begin. And guys, our stylish black and white flower is complete. Yay! I think this flower is going to be brag in the garden today. Look at me drawn with just a pen. Still fabulous. If you like this fun drawing and the silly story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cute and funny art videos. See you in the next video guys. Till then, what? Bye bye.